Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ashik and welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill up tax information form. If you don't fill up the tax information form, or you can say tax interview form, then they will cut 30% from your overall earning. So it is necessary to update the tax information with the correct info. Just click on update tax information and then select Take Interview. Then you need to select what is your tax classification. For me it is individual, that's why I have selected this one. Are you a USA citizen or not? If you are not a USA citizen, then hit on No. Then are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person or as a flow through entity? If yes, then hit yes, otherwise select no. Then put your full name, country residency, just select your country. This time I have selected Bangladesh. Then enter your permanent address. And if you are not a US citizen, then tick this option. I have a non-US TIN. And after that, enter your TIN number. Okay, now I hit on continue. Then again I need to select the country. This time I choose Bangladesh again and hit on confirm. Now I have selected this one. Select this option as well and type my name as a signature. Now I tick this one. Now they are asking, was any information different from what you provided in the form above in the period starting January 1, 2017? For me it is no, that's why I have selected no and type my name again as a signature. Okay. Now I click on save and preview. And here you can see our tax interview form preview. Now I hit on submit form. Now see, applicable withholding rate is now 10%. Awesome, right? See, here you can see this rate as well. So still if you didn't fill up the tax information, then just go ahead and fill up this. Otherwise they will cut 30% from your earning. So keep that in mind. Just go ahead and do it. Do it now.